In today's video, I want to guide you on how to edit WhatsApp username key. Maybe your previous key is not well okay, but you want to use a new key or you want to generate another key. This is very simple, guys. But make sure that your WhatsApp app is up to date. Now tap and open your WhatsApp app on your device. Tap on U button here. Then go ahead and tap on account. Tap on username under account. Now tap contact me by username. Now tap on username key. Now it brings you to this place. Tap this arrow beside or below the username key. Just tap on that button. You see that new key has generated. Tap on it again until you have a key that suits you, that you can really rely on. Now that you've done that, tap on saved button. Now you tap on save button, your new key has been generated. That's all, guys. You've been able to change or edit your WhatsApp username key on your app. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.